a matter
This is
for
one
the
of the
Supreme
rights
Court?
reserved to the states.
Is equal protection a matter
Pardon?
for the Supreme Court? The answer is, of course, yes,
Equal,
as guaranteed in the Fifth
everybody
Amendment.
has
That's
a
what
right.
this is. Go ahead, Your Honor.
Everybody has a right to equal protection.
Yes.
And so does an equal application of the law. Every person in this country and in this state has a right to marry a person of the opposite sex, according to the
And why not
original
extend it to
definition
the
of
same
marriage.
sex? Why isn't that's clearly within the bounds of a reckoning of equal protection?
Because that's not
why
in
not
the
do that?
that's not in the historical definition of marriage. Never has been. It's going to be created if it is created, which I do not believe it should be or would be.
Well, you don't believe that as a matter of personal opinion, right? But times change, definitions change. We didn't think blacks were equal to whites. That changed.
I believe that's a matter of law, because our rights contained in the Bill of Rights do not come from the Constitution. They come from God. It's clearly stated.
Our rights do not come from God, Your Honor, and you know that. They come from man.
Well, let me ask you one question. Chris. Is the Declaration of Independence law?
You would call it organic law as a basis for future laws off of it.
I would call it the organic law because the United States Code calls it organic law. It is organic law because the law of this country calls it the organic law of our country, means where our rights come from. And if they come from there, men can't take them away.
Our rights do not come from God. That's your faith. That's my faith. But that's not our country.
Well,
our laws come from the
a matter of faith,
collective
sir.
agreement and compromise.